Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you whether you can change your profile picture on Indeed. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in indeed.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Indeed website where you can log into your account if you haven't done so already by clicking on the sign in button and using your credentials. After entering your credentials and logging in, you will be able to browse through the various different jobs that are available for your profile. Now, if you wish to change your profile picture, click on the account icon at the top right corner and then click on Profile. You will now be taken into your profile page, from which if you look at the right side of your username, you will find a profile picture that is associated with your email address if you have one within your email. Otherwise, you can click on your resume that you have uploaded, and if you don't already have a resume, you can also upload one if you wish. Now, when you upload your resume within Indeed, make sure that you have included a profile picture within your resume itself, within the PDF file. If you do this the correct way, then when someone sees your resume, they will also be able to see the profile picture that is set within your account. However, if you choose to convert this resume into an Indeed resume, then the profile picture will be deleted completely. So make sure to use a resume that has not been converted into an Indeed resume and add your profile picture into the resume PDF file manually. Once you do this and upload it in your resume, anyone who clicks on your resume will immediately be able to see your picture as well. And there you have it. That is how you can go about if you wish to change or add your profile picture onto your Indeed account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.